have this microwavable macaroni and cheese. I also have some tuna fish, but I do not have a microwave. This is what it came in. So I'm going to put the water in up to that fill line, which is right about there. And then I'm gonna cook it on my stove. And then I'll put in the cheese packet afterwards. We'll see how that works. One of the things that I just recently purchased, this is gonna make life a lot easier, because oftentimes I can't get the flame down low enough and then it will overflow. So this has been long coming. You might notice some noise in the background. I have the vehicle running with the air going, and I also have a fan pumping air from the vents. So this way we don't suffer from any carbon monoxide. Alright, well that didn't take very long. This certainly came in handy. Let's add this packet. Okay, they made consumer unfriendly packaging. Now what do you expect? Time to bust out the scissors. Now it's a little liquidy, as I suspected, so you might want to add less water. In this particular case, I'm gonna boil some of that excess off, hopefully. The other necessities is my Michael Jackson cooking glove. Of course, we're going upscale and we'll be adding some tuna. Wild caught, you know. Now, the light tuna was in consumer-friendly packaging. Very easy and convenient to open. That's how you do it. Well, there it is. I can't film and eat at the same time, so I'll let you know how this turned out. It's a wet sort of a day. It's going to be wet tomorrow as well, but that's going to clear up. I need a nice warm meal of some sort. Didn't have to be too fancy, although I did add the tuna. It worked. Enjoy. As they say in the lands of the wild, bon appetit.